Hi, this is Outdoor Gear Guy. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the solar powered power bank from Lucyd. This is 2000 milliamps. It is, this box does weigh about 2 pounds. I am interested in trying out a 10,000 milliamp battery in the future to see if I can enjoy that functionality of solar powered recharging, but also minimize my pack weight. So let's open this up. So I was interested in requesting this solar powered charging bank from Lucyd because I'm going to be hiking the Appalachian Trail in the future. Now I am a section hiker, but the Georgia section is 74 miles total, and then the Maryland section is 40 miles total. And I'll be walking through towns very infrequently. And so because I don't have the opportunity to recharge my phone at bars or cafes or restaurants or hotels, having the solar powered battery bank is really going to be instrumental for my trip. So first off, this is very heavy. It weighs 2 pounds. I am interested in picking up a 10,000 milliamp or a 5,000 milliamp solar powered charging bank in the future to see if I can cut my pack weight further. And I'll just show you what this includes. So first off, it's got an exposed USB-C slot and an exposed micro USB slot. Now to remedy that, I've ordered kind of a generic Chinese brand. I'll put the link in the description. There are 6 different types of USB plugs that are rubberized, and I'm going to use those to close these ports because I don't like the idea of these ports being exposed to moisture. All right, so on the back here, this here that slides out allows you to prop this up and make your prop up your phone as a phone stand. Then we have your standard USB-C or your standard USB 3.0 USB cable. That slides back in here. And then we have a micro USB, and that plugs in there. And we have a USB-C, and that plugs in there. And then we have your standard Apple Lightning cable, that plugs in there. And it says that there is these two spaces are a light. I have to figure out how to use the light. Now on the front here, there is no LED, but basically it's just going to give you power indicators of do you have 100% of a charge, 75% of a charge, 50% of a charge, or 25% of a charge. You can see the solar panel fills the whole face, and it is quite substantial. It's got a cloth wrist strap, and I can see this is going to be extraordinarily helpful on my trip, and I look forward to trying out other solar charger banks in the future, particularly from Nightcore, but some others, and Anchor, as always. All right, I look forward to your questions and comments.